Hello everyone. This will be a video guide to input question item in the web application. Firstly, open any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Enter this link in the URL. Login screen is displayed. Select language as Hindi. Enter your email ID as your username. Enter password. Select role as item writer. Click on login. Now after logging in, you need to start entering details related to your question items. Enter the aspect number if you already know, or select aspect from the following tree. You can see here the language tree. Here if we expand, you can see all the subcomponents of the language tree. Then you can see the literature tree. Again, we can see all the subcomponents of the literature tree. Then we can see also the personality tree. Select any that fits your question item. Here I am selecting from the literature tree. Click on Next. Select dimensional problem. Click Next. Now enter the following details. Enter the first parameter, that is administering details. Instruction to the test administrator should be given here regarding the special arrangements such as any electronic equipments, etc. This is mainly for the test developer, and this is also an optional field. The next parameter is the instruction to the examinee. The instructions regarding the method of answering, such as putting a tick mark or blackening of circles, etc., or for subjective type, word limit, or language type to be used, must be given here. Click on Next. The next parameter is the item format. There are 5 objective type and 5 subjective type question formats listed in the column of IFC. Item writer should select the type or format of the item under which the question written falls. Here the item format is multiple choice. The next parameter is to enter the question item along with the options, if any, and then the answer key. In this case, the question is of objective type, therefore options are necessary. If it is subjective type, then no need to enter the options, only enter the answer key or Q. Enter the marks allocated to this particular question. Enter time assigned to this question. The next parameter is the scoring procedure. This hint is for the evaluators that for a particular item type, a particular scoring procedure must be followed. The next parameter is the subcomponent that is already displayed on the screen. Subcomponent is nothing but the subtopic on which his or her particular question is based. The next parameter is the objective. Enter the intention behind asking this particular question, that is whether it is meant to test mastery of an examinee, which involves knowing and understanding. Click on Next. Next is the medium or mode of presentation of the question item. There are two modes of presenting a particular question item. One is the written mode, another is the oral mode. The next parameter is the education level in which your question item falls. There are 7 levels of general education ranging from primary to research and 3 levels of special L2 and L3 education such as basic, intermediate and advanced. The last and 10th parameter is the rationale. This is a very important field where an item writer should justify the use of a particular item type or format and subject input to fulfill the announced objective. The following fields like choice index, feasibility value, discrimination index, mean ability index, and level of pre-validation is already set. No need to enter or alter the values. Then finally click on the submit button to save your question item. On successful saving of the question item, this message will be displayed. Thank you.